Ooh, live plants. Just walked into a random Walmart garden center. It's pretty loud in here, but it looks like they just got a shipment. But they definitely have like a super duper amazing amount of plants in here. I'm moving pretty fast. I'm not gonna go as slow as some may want me to, but there's Phytonas, there's ficus, money trees, lots of yuccas, dracaenas, some bamboo. Ooh, we have some ZZ plants over here that look like they're on their last leg. They're still growing. That's one thing about ZZ plants, they will grow. And like snake plants too. They'll grow through whatever. Golden pothos. I think that's some type of, oh, there's a calathea. Phytonia. Some type of palea, I believe. This is pretty. Look at that growth. This looks super healthy. Oh, as I touch it, a bug flew away. But it looks really healthy, I'm not gonna lie. Some Trandescantia, that looks healthy. Golden pothos, how much are these? $9.97. Also have some philodendron Ginny in those as well. I guess all of these are $9.97. Or that one's $12.97, 6-inch. That's messed up. That's discrimination. I feel like they all should be the same price. Majesty palms. Seen those everywhere. Some golden pothos hanging out. Leather cold air. I think these are watermelon peperomias. As you can see, there's like tons of plants. Back there, right there, there's some money trees. I'm trying to see if I can find any Hoyas, anything good. Anything that's worth it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's crazy. I'm gonna pick it up off the floor. And then maybe it'll call their attention to it. And they'll be like, ooh, we should do something with that. I wonder what happened to them. I'm coming with you. Dang, they have so many of the night owls. 6-inch.